So now, finally, just one more method, very simple one, which will be the flush. Okay, let's do a timeout here of 10 seconds. And again, we've seen this on the simple one. We always call the flush before shutting down the producer because it's going to force all of the pending message to be sent, and it's going to ensure that no data is lost during the application termination. Okay, so whenever we're finishing the producer execution, we're gonna flush everything out. So let's just go ahead and log this, flushing pending messages before shutdown. All right, and if we have anything remaining, we're just gonna flush it with our timeout. And if the remaining is bigger than 0, we're gonna say, let's warn the user or our system to say that the remaining, there are still messages pending after timeout. And if that's not the case, if we don't have anything left, we just log in information to say that all of the messages were successfully delivered. Okay, so we produce the message and then we flush it. And with that, we're going to conclude our producer wrapper, and we can go ahead and start the consumer wrapper.